Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust RAM timings. First, understanding RAM timings is crucial. They represent the number of clock cycles required for memory operations. Lower numbers typically indicate faster performance. To begin, you'll need to access your computer's BIOS or UEFI. Restart your system and repeatedly press the designated key, often delete F2, F10, or F12 during the boot-up sequence. This will grant you access to the essential system settings. Once inside the BIOS, navigate to the Advanced or Overclocking section. Here, you'll typically find memory settings or DRAM configuration. Many modern motherboards offer XMP or dock profiles. Enabling one of these profiles is often the easiest way to apply optimized timings and frequencies, as they are pre-configured by the RAM manufacturer. This can significantly improve performance with minimal effort. If XMP or dock isn't an option or you want more control, you can adjust timings manually. Focus on the primary timings: CAS latency, TRCD, TRP, and TRAS. Begin by reducing just one timing value by a single increment, for instance, changing CAS latency from 16 to 15. After each adjustment, save your changes, exit the BIOS, and allow your system to reboot. This methodical approach helps isolate any potential instability. After making any timing changes, rigorous testing is essential to ensure system stability. Utilize memory stress test software such as MEMTest 86 or Prime 95. Run these tests for at least 30 minutes to thoroughly check for any errors or crashes. If your system remains stable, you can consider making further small adjustments. However, if instability occurs, revert to your previous stable settings or slightly increase DRAM voltage by 25 millivolts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.